The concept of traditional or fiat money has long gone, and digital assets have become a thing now. The digital assets are selling like hotcakes. Most of such digital assets are worth millions of dollars. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are also digital assets representing music, memes, photos, painting, videos, in-game items, and other real-world objects. NFT art represents ownership of items present in the real world as a unique digital asset, but its existence is entirely digital. Even though you cannot touch it, but you can sure own it. A non-fungible token means that a unique and non-interchangeable unit is hidden in the quirky artworks and memes. Mike Winkelmann, also known as Beeple, is a renowned artist who sold his NFT art for $69 million. According to the auction house, the sale position takes Beeple to the top 3 valuable living artists. Basics and foundations of NFTs. The data is stored on a digital ledger that uses blockchain technology to establish proof of ownership. Being bought and sold online, they are encoded with the same software as cryptos. However, calling them a currency would be wrong. NFTs are often considered highly speculative assets, and their volatility factor is not suitable for every investor in the world. Linking ownership to physical or digital items, NFTs are difficult to alter or counterfeited based on blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is immutable, so a hacker can't manipulate or exchange the recorded sets of information. To better understand the non-fungibility of tokens, it is mandatory to apprehend what the term fungible means. The fungible items can be easily traded with each other as they have the same value. For instance, a $1 bill can be exchanged with $1 as they have the same worth. However, the non-fungible items are the opposite. Non-fungible items are not interchangeable, as NFT tokens have distinctive properties and don't have the same worth as other similar tokens. For instance, there is a diverse range of Mona Lisa copies in the marketplace, but only one original. Therefore, the NFT technology plays a significant role in assigning ownership to the original piece of art. The idea behind NFTs. The next concern to be addressed revolves around NFTs and what is their point in the marketplace. The NFT artwork is like a charm, even if you are a collector, artist, or buyer. Most artists and painters are inclined towards NFT art, as it gives them a chance to sell work that has more to offer than a typical physical market. NFTs come up with a feature if you have a cool meme or thoughtful sticker idea. The feature can be enabled to get a significant percentage every time NFT exchanges hands or is sold. On the other hand, if you are a buyer, you get some fundamental usage rights. For instance, post the image online or put it as the display picture. Most people brag about owning NFT art as they have a blockchain to back them up. Additionally, if you are an investor or a collector, the situation varies. Like any speculative asset, NFT art is volatile, which states that its value can drastically change, but most investors are risk takers and they like to see where the values go. The NFT art has a fair share of workability in real-life situations. It is essential to understand them before getting into the workability of NFT art. The event ticket used the NFT technology to limit the chance of stealing, scalping, or trying to use counterfeit tickets. The reason is blockchain technology and its immutability. Secondly, some significant concerns in the fashion industry could be addressed through the usage of NFTs. The digital record of authenticity handles the problem of counterfeiting goods. Moreover, the luxury items could have an NFT attached to display that it's genuine. NFTs help know the crucial data such as item origin, materials used, and how far it traveled. The sustainability factor of the items helps the entrepreneur make sound and ethical decisions. NFTs offer gamers to own unique in-game items, avatars, outfits, and whatnot. These tokens have the ability to power in-game ecosystems systematically and logically. Workability of NFT art. As far as the workability of NFT art is concerned, it exists on a blockchain, a distributed ledger recording the transactions. Mainly, NFTs are held on the Ethereum blockchain. However, other blockchains support NFTs as well. The NFT art is digital, which defines that the owner gets access to a digital file instead of getting a painting to hang on the wall. NFTs can have only one owner at a time. The unique data makes it easy to verify the ownership for a workable transfer of tokens between the owners. The critical thing to note here is that the creator can store detailed information inside them. For instance, a signature in an NFT's metadata. The NFT ownership can be easily traced and verified, but the owner can always remain anonymous. The file size of the NFT doesn't matter as it remains separate from the blockchain. Pros in the marketplace. There is an extensive range of pros when it comes to NFT art. For starters, the artists are given exclusive ownership rights with profit for their work. They can be collected as most people are hyped about owning rare and unique items. NFTs come with an extra layer of authenticity to the collectible content in the form of digital assets. NFTs are immutable, limiting them from being erased, manipulated, replaced, and altered. It is because NFTs work on blockchain technology. They also include smart contracts and instructions that can be stored in the presence of pre-met conditions. NFT with smart contracts offers the owner the percentage of profit every time it is sold in the future. Cons in the marketplace. NFTs have some cons in the field. Being a speculative marketplace, it is hard to state if NFTs are a long-term investment. Other than that, NFTs can be copied and pasted. Even though only one person is the owner doesn't mean they can control the digital asset for being used. Moreover, there have been reports of NFT art being stolen via cybersecurity breaches. The next concern is the sustainability factor of NFTs. There have been significant environmental concerns regarding the impacts of blockchain. The process takes a lot of computational power to enter records into a transaction. Therefore, the question is if NFTs are a workable investment with sustainability as its strength. How is NFT related to cryptocurrency? No matter what you decide about investing in NFTs, it is the need of the hour to undergo all factors and review them properly. The digital assets have their advantages, with a minute ratio of cons lurking in the shadows. It all comes down to the investor about how much volatility he can take. With a lot of NFT projects taking formal existence, the use of appropriate tools to make them recognized in the crypto market is carried out. These projects can surely be used as a formal way of investing into the crypto world.